Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Right now I'm in Delhi, so I'm at my mom's place and we came here for holidays and I thought I can share one interesting recipe with you guys. So today I'm going to share how to make a filter of South Indian filter coffee at your home. So for this South Indian filter coffee, what you need this filter. So I have two guys. What we have to do, we have to put this filter like this, and we have to add the coffee powder. So I'm going to add 3 to 4 tablespoon of coffee powder into this. So I'm going to add 1, 2, 3. So I added 4 tablespoon of coffee powder, and into this I'm going to add some hot water. Okay guys, here I'm adding the hot water. And after, hey guys, I added the hot water. So we have to add the boiling water for this South Indian filter coffee. And can you see the decoction? That is the black coffee is coming out from this one. And this is very tasty guys. Being a South Indian, we love only the filter coffee. And this is very famous actually. So it will take another 5 minutes for the decoction, and after that we have to add the warm milk. Hey guys, can you see the thick coffee decoction is ready? And what I'm going to do here, I took 2 South Indian tumblers, and in this I'm going to add some hot milk. So I'm going to add some hot milk. So for this cold weather guys, in Delhi it's freezing, so I thought I can make this every day. We will have this coffee in the morning. So I added milk into this, and I'm going to add this coffee decoction into this. Into this, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. We won't take that much of sugar. If you want, you can add. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar in both the cups. So in the last, what we have to do, we have to do like this. So after adding the sugar, if you want more decoction, we can add that one. So I'm going to add little bit more. So I'm going to add little bit more in the top, so that we'll have thick. So this is the quick video of how to make South Indian filter coffee for cold weather, and in Delhi it's freezing, so we are going to have this filter coffee now, and see you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.